Hello and welcome to another one of my amateur cooking videos. Today I'm cooking a chicken and potato dish. I found this dish at Essen Recipes. Check her page out, she does some nice stuff. Alright, so we're going to need 3 chicken breasts, or 2 depending on the size of your breasts, 3 potatoes, 1 onion, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 200ml of full cream, some spring onion and 2 eggs. Time to chop the onions, the potatoes and the chicken. I'll have to fast forward this bit because I am a slow chopper. I'm going to add the onions and potatoes, Phil. I think I've done too many potatoes. I might leave some aside. A bit of salt. And a bit of olive oil. Pepper to the chicken. They're all mixed in together. Lay the chicken on top of the potatoes and onions. Crack 2 eggs, bit of salt, 200ml of cream that I prepared earlier, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, a mix of herbs. I'm just using oregano and oregano, wherever you're from, and rosemary. Pour this on. Tin foil. Now we're going to use some Gruyere cheese. Fast forward time. Ow! Thanks for watching. Check out my other quick and easy, simple, amateur, yet interesting concoctions.